Hey guys, I'm Meek. Welcome back to my channel Meek 2083. Hope you guys are doing well, and this is day 3 in Cox's Bazar and starting my vlog. Today is the 25th of April 2025 and now it's almost 3 p.m. and last night I had a awesome sleep after all day of activity, and hope you guys loved that vlog as well. And now woke up and took a shower, and then now is starting my day's vlog. But I'm not sure that because tonight is our bus from Cox's Bazar to Dhaka at 10 p.m. so I don't know if I'm gonna make 2 vlogs or only continue with this one and make it a long one, but not sure yet. So now we're going out for lunch, and after that let's see what happens. So see you guys. We're all going for lunch. Dubana? Where we are going for lunch?
Algoni.
Algoni. Now, let's go to a new one.
ভালো না ভালো নাই ভালো আমি যা খাওয়া এই যে এটা তো খাওয়া মজা হবে না
কেন?
পাবি না খাওয়া নিয়ে কল গেছে না
আলগনিতে ভালো লাগলো না কালকে।
কি খায় মাছ খা কেন না মাছ খা বিরিয়ানি কিছু খাবি
হ্যাঁ?
বিরিয়ানি কিছু খাবি ট্রাই করবি এটা ট্রাই করবি
চিকেন বিরিয়ানি না ওদিকেই যাই। So guys, we are deciding where we are gonna eat, and let's see what happens. দুপুর এখানে তো অনেক জ্যাম ইয়েতে প্রাসাদ ওই যে প্রাসাদ ও ইয়েতে যাই ওই দিকে ওই যে সিগালের পাশে যে
মজা না
ওদেরটা খাওয়া মতো দাম।
প্রসাদ
আমরা 2011 ওখানে খাইছিলাম তো।
11
এনে যাইতে ইচ্ছা হচ্ছে না, এত জ্যাম।
আরে জায়গা অনেক বড় তো
ওইদিকে যাই, ওইদিকে
ঘুরতে ঘুরতে সময় যাবো চিন্তা পাই
চল না ওইদিকে আসতে ভালো লাগতেছে না, এত জ্যাম।
আসলে ভাই ভাত খেয়ে দিব
খাবো তো,
অন্য টাকা দেবো
এই যে এটা ভালো।
ভালো অবস্থা
লবস্টার নেই যেটা মেরিন মেরিন এইগুলাতে না খেয়ে ইয়েতে যেতে পারি তো, ওই যে প্রাসাদ।
নামে লাঞ্চে ভাত খাবো না
না ওখানে ভাত তো সবই আছে।
ভাত নেই
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, গ্রিল চিকেন টিকেন সব রয়েছে। না মানে চিকেন ভাত মাটন বিফ সব কিছু আছে। চলো রোড ক্রস করতে হবে।
ঘুরতে ঘুরতে মানে খাওয়ার টাইম নষ্ট হয়ে যাবে
না না রোড ক্রস করতে হবে। Hey guys, we are going really hard to decide, and all the places are super crowded. So now we are going to a oceanside restaurant. Seagull Hotel, Seagull. So guys, let's go.
আর এই পাশে
তুমি তো ভাত চা খাওয়া তাহলে ইয়ে আছে পিৎজা হাট আছে, KFC আছে। Hey guys, finally we have decided that we are gonna eat in Prasad Paradise restaurant. So now getting inside the Prasad Paradise restaurant. So let's go and order some food and have some food because I'm super starving now. So guys, this is the Shurma restaurant. I never ate here before, so let's go first time in Shurma restaurant, Prasad Paradise. So let's go inside. Oh, huh? You guys can have a swimming pool view from the restaurant. So guys, let's order some food and see you guys in a bit. Guys, we have ordered our food, but the menu is so big. Have a look. So really hard to find out the items that we ordered. So I'll show you guys when food arrives, when they will serve us the food. And so yeah, so now I'm gonna decide what drinks I'm gonna have. So see you guys. Guys, food has arrived and let's have a look. It's the changa fish. So we are gonna enjoy. Na tumi na. Tomar jeta ichha. Ami ekti ta kono.
Na এটা
So we are gonna enjoy the food now and see you guys later. Guys, loita fry. Minimum 10,000 view. এটা তো মজা। এটা মজা।
ও আমি হয়ে যায়
চান্দা।
ಇದು ಹಂಡಿ
হান্ডিতে
ಮನೆ ನೀನು
হান্ডিতে যেতে পারবো।
ಯಾಕೆ ಕಲಿಯೋದು
হান্ডি তো পুরো ইন্ডিয়ান ফুড।
না সবই আছে
যেখান থেকে খাই আবার হান্ডি দিই।
আমাদের কোনো ফুড না
ফ্রাইটা মজা।
কোনটা ফ্রাইটা ফ্রাই মজা এটা ভালো বলছে এটা ভালো
কিন্তু এটা তো অনেক পাকা। এটা তো অনেক কাটা, এটা এত কাটা কেন? খাওয়াই দিতে থাকে, হ্যাঁ কাটা থাকে, খাওয়াই দিতে থাকে।
নিয়ম হইল কি, যে দোকানে সেল বেশি সেজন্য খাইতে হয়। যে দোকানে সেল বেশি খাইতে হয়।
হ্যান্ডি কথা মনে করি,
হান্ড্রেড সেল বেশি করে আর বলে সেল বেশি ওদের কি মানে মাছ, বিশেষ করে মাছটা ফ্রেশ থাকে। ঠিক আছে, কি ওই উজুকে পাবো।
So see you guys later. Hey guys, done with our food. Everything is gone, and all those food was only 2000 taka. So cheap and so delicious, so tasty. So yeah, now probably we're gonna go for a walk on the beach or something, or maybe we'll have some tea. So see you guys there. Hey guys, hopped in the convertible Tesla and now I'm going to have some tea. So let's go. Hey guys, back in that famous tea stall in Kolatoli Road. Lupen Bhai is buying the tea. You guys can see it behind me. We discovered it yesterday, and since then we are only having tea from this store and no other store. We are having no tea. So yeah, this Zero Valley tea shop is or what coffee shop is really tasty, and you cannot compare these shops tea with any other tea shops in Cox's Bazar. So you guys, if you guys come to Cox's Bazar, then definitely try the tea in here. So good, pure cow milk, thick creamy milk, full milk tea, so yummy. Hey guys, a bee just fell into my tea and couldn't drink it anymore. So don't know, I'm gonna order another one or just no more tea for today.
এই যে বয়ার দিকটা ধর
Hey guys, she's walking with me from all the way from the tea store. So let's go to the beach now. Hey guys, we are going again to Saiman Beach. Our favorite beach, Saiman Beach. So let's go guys. Deep sleep. আজকে দিছি তো বাড়ি ঘর যে আমি এডিটিং আর লুকেন গাইস ডিপ স্লিপ আমার রিলসটা দেখো না guys, finally getting into the beach. Last day at the beach. We are leaving tonight. So last sunset in Cox's Bazar. We missed the sunset yesterday, but today we said that we are not gonna miss it because it's our last sunset in Cox's Bazar till we come back again. Luna, when we are coming back? Anything you ask him, he will always answer it with lyrics, like with a song, with a line from a song. So yeah, now I'm wearing kicks on the beach. So not gonna pedal today because I'm wearing my shoes, but only will see from a distance. Cannot pedal. We pedaled in the first day but didn't took any dip in the ocean. Lots of people today on the beach, but the first day we came it wasn't this much people. Oh my god, it's really crowded today because it's Friday weekend in Bangladesh, so that's why probably too much people. Have a look. Guys, check out this sunset view. Jai Shri Surya Narayan. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hey guys, the sun is gone. Last sunset in this trip in Cox's Bazar. Now I don't know what's gonna happen. Probably we're gonna chill, and it's 4 more hours to our bus. 10 p.m. It's 6 now, so yeah, probably gonna chill and probably gonna have some more chai or whatever, and then we'll hop into the bus. Shoot. Hey guys, we are going back to have some tea, and then we'll head back to our room because we have to charge our phones and gadgets and all, and then we'll hop into the bus. So after, I don't know, I'm probably gonna end this vlog when we get to our room, and then we'll start a new one from Cox's Bazar to Dhaka. So let's go guys. Oh, honeymoon.
আমরা যদি বোন আমরা যদি বোন সত্যি মশলা দিয়া চাবি আমরা বোন
Erotic jokes. Erotic jokes. Huh? Huh? Erotic Bengali jokes. Again, we are going to that tea stall.
Another place. Our mind is working.
We have been drinking in the same tea store for last 2 days.
We already had the cups in last 2 days.
No, almost 10 cups.
আজকে তো এক লাখ কাপ খেলাম। হ্যাঁ, দুইটা পাঁচ বছর কাপ খেলাম।
হ্যাঁ। Hey guys, again back in the tea. Probably this is the last tea in Cox's Bazar this time. In the afternoon time, evening time, when I was having the tea, a fly fell into it. Probably you guys have already seen that. So I only drink half of it. Now drinking it properly. No more flies in this time. So guys, gonna drink the tea, and after that we'll head back to our room and let's see what else we can do. Hey guys, we are done with the tea and now going back to our hotel room. now not gonna come out anymore because we have to charge our devices and all our GoPros and all, and then directly we'll hop into the bus. So this was it, Cox's Bazar this time, and hopefully we'll come back soon. But this was it this time. Cox's Bazar is sponsored by Lupin Bhaiya, and thank you very much Lupin Bhaiya for sponsoring
mention
Cox's Bazar this time. So thank you very much
This
to Lupin Bhaiya.
Cox's Bazar tour is sponsored by this Cox's Bazar tour is sponsored by Elon Musk.
Bangladeshi Elon Musk. Lupin Bhaiya.
আর পুতিন।
So guys, this was it. Don't forget to like and share my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And this was it from Cox's Bazar, and the next vlog is gonna be Cox's Bazar to Dhaka in 3 hours at 10 p.m. our bus. So yeah, so see you guys in that vlog, and ending this vlog now. So have a good one, guys.